Okay, so now that we have a little bit of a grasp on what a sequence is, we've seen some examples of sequences. We now talk about the limit of a sequence. And what we mean is just kind of basically like the limit of a function. Except since a sequence continues on forever, we're looking at the limit as we go all the way out towards the end. And so we say if the terms of a sequence approach a unique number L, right? So as you continue on the sequence, you're getting closer and closer, right? Ever closer, kind of the same idea as a limit definition that we gave before for a function, right? So as we go way out there, you're getting closer and closer to a unique number L, ever closer. Then we say the limit, as n goes to infinity, of the sequence is equal to L. And we also say then that if this is true, that the sequence converges to L. The sequence converges to L. Okay. If the sequence is approaching a unique number, as you go far out to the right, large terms, large power, far out to the right, large values, right? Then we say it converges. If the sequence does not settle in on a single number, then we say it diverges. That could be a situation where, like the Fibonacci sequence, the values of the sequence just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger forever. Right? So it's never going to settle down. It's going out to infinity. Or that could be a situation where, right, the sequence is like bouncing around between a couple different values as you move through the terms. As long as it doesn't settle onto a single number, we say it diverges. We say it diverges. Okay. So what we're going to do in these upcoming examples here is we're going to be looking at a sequence. We're going to compute a few terms and then kind of guess, does it seem like the sequence is converging? Does it seem like the sequence is converging? Later on, we'll formalize the idea of, convergence to be able to see if a sequence does actually converge and how to check if it converges. But to start off, we're just going to kind of look at it and get a feel. Does it seem like the sequence is converging? Does it seem like the sequence is converging? That's all we're looking at. And if so, what's it seem like it might be converging to? Okay, so that's what we'll be looking at here in some upcoming examples.